Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Delancy from Barbie Princess Charm School and Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you guys how I made this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color. This is for the color code and you're going to go to the top area right here and then you can click on this top, this one. Okay, and we're going to color it with this purple color and then we're going to change the material to foil. Okay, done. And the next one, we're going to go to the world culture clothing area and we're going to select this dress. Okay, then you're going to change the toggle to only skirt and you're going to color it with the same purple color, but don't forget to make it glitter for all the selections or the reviews. Okay, and I'm going to apply this purple color. Then you're going to select the skirt, just the skirt only, and again you're going to color it with this purple color, make it glitter. Okay, like this, and don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, and the next one guys, you can choose the skirt and you can choose remove the layer and you're going to color it with the same purple color, and again you're going to make it glitter. Okay, sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear it will be so beautiful. The next one, I'm going to, oops, sorry guys, I forgot something from here. I'm going to select this heel and I'm going to color it with this purple color. Okay, I'm just going to make it this purple. All right, and I'm going to go to the necklace area, which is right here, and then I'm going to put on this necklace. I'm going to combine two necklaces, this one and also this one, and again we're going to color it with the purple color. Okay, done for the necklace, and we're going to go to the VIP room and we need the skirt, this one, and again I'm going to color it with purple color for the first selection, the second selection, the third selection, and for the fourth selection you're going to color it with this color. Or let's try this one. Okay, I prefer this one, and again we're going to make it voile. Okay, make it voile like this guys for all the selections. Okay, and then the next one, I'm just going to put on this crown and I'm going to make it this color. Okay, this color for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm just going to apply the same color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Princess Delancy from Barbie Princess Charm School in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!